If you're trying to make a passive income, listen up. A lot of people are starting to get in on the PLR hustle, and they're selling ebooks that they didn't even write and earning a passive income from it. Trust me when I tell you, this is a great way to make some money, but with easy side hustles comes easy problems. A lot of people's go-to is to start selling these PLR ebooks on Amazon. And a lot of people are starting to get their Amazon accounts banned for selling these PLR books on Amazon. In this video, I'm gonna let you know how you can get in on this PLR hustle and start making money from selling PLR books without getting banned on Amazon. Let's go. If you're new to this channel, you may not know what PLR products are, but if you aren't new to this channel and you don't know what PLR products are, what are you doing? You need to have your notifications on. But in either case, let me explain what PLR products are. So PLR stands for private label rights. Now these can include ebooks and even videos that you can sell as if they are your own. You are buying the rights to be able to sell this book or this video. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to talk in the context of selling them as ebooks because that's what a lot of people do, because that's the easiest thing to sell. And for the skeptics out there, no, PLR products are not illegal. The author of that book or that product is letting you sell it. They're giving you the rights to do it. So no, you're not doing anything illegal by doing this or anything morally wrong by selling PLR products in general. You're not. Okay, so please stop with the noise when it comes to that. But the way the process works is you find a reputable platform. My favorite platform is PLR Products. It's a website that I use to get my PLR products. I'll link it down below. Then once you obtain your PLR product, it's up to you to start selling that PLR book so that you can start making that money, which means you have to find a platform or a website to be able to list it on. And like I mentioned, a lot of people's go-to is Amazon. And there is a horrible thing that people are doing that is getting them banned from selling these PLR books on Amazon. So let me explain where they're messing up. What I'm about to show you is not only something that can get you in trouble on Amazon and potentially banned, but it's honestly quite embarrassing. And I'm not doing this to embarrass the people. I just want you to see what you should not do. All right, so let me type this in. Ultimate Hustle book. And I want you to see if you can spot the issue before I even say what it is. Okay, this is where I'm going to stop. Okay, if you notice, we have seen this 3 times already. Okay, we haven't even gotten to the bottom of the page, right? So let's take a deeper dive into this. Let's start at the top. So this one, Ultimate Hustle by Sarah Stufflebeam, right? She put this out in March 2021. Now we have Ultimate Hustle, Making Money Simple by Caitlin Bullino. March 23rd, 2021. Wait a minute, they put it out in the same month. Wait, why is this chick trying to charge $40? Stop playing with me. Okay, that's beside the point. But really though? Now, number 3, Ultimate Hustle, Learn How to Earn Money from Internet in 2021 by Hilal Khan. Also put out March 14th, 2021. So all 3 of these people put theirs out in the same month. That book must have been popping. And you know what? It leads me to believe that they probably saw like a YouTube video or something where somebody was talking about how they used this book to make money. And yeah, people went and bought this PLR book. This is clearly a PLR book, but let's take an even deeper dive. Let me see. They're all Kindle edition, which means they are ebooks, right? Now let's click. Wait, that $40 one, was that a Kindle edition? Yeah, Kindle edition, all Kindle edition. She didn't even, the formatting is just atrocious. Okay, beside the point. So let's go into Ultimate Hustle. Let's go into this first one. What I like about ebooks on Amazon is that you can take a peek inside, right? So let's look inside. All right. So this is the book. All right. We see table of contents with introduction, creative video tutorials, yada, yada, yada. Right. All right, so let's go check out one of the other ones. Let's see if they changed anything. All right, let's try this third one. Let's look inside. All right. Look, table of contents, introduction, create video tutorials, offer online training. Okay. So this is the reason that some people are actually getting banned. So let me explain. When you're posting a PLR book, it's imperative that you change the cover. At the very least, change the cover. Like, some of them made a slight effort and added some extra words after Ultimate Hustle, but ultimately, this is the same Ultimate Hustle book, right? And also, they didn't even attempt to change the inside. Now, with PLR books, you can change the inside if that is in your contract. You don't have to keep the images the same. None of that. Okay. So you can switch things out as long as they give you permission. When you bought the book, it'll list like the permissions that you have. And typically they will allow you to make changes to the interior of the book. So at the very, very least, once again, let me reiterate this. Change the cover of the book, and inside, maybe change some photos or something in there. And if you're wondering how this can get people banned, what it is Amazon has an algorithm, right? They have Amazon, the number one e-commerce platform in the world. So they have the means to have the best algorithms. They have things in place to detect plagiarism. What will these types of things do? They might trigger the plagiarism alert. Okay. So if you're posting a book that looks like 20 other books on Amazon, Amazon is going to reach out to you and they're going to ask you what rights you have to own that book, or, what rights you have to sell that book, should I say. So you're going to have to show proof. That can be a problem in and of itself. Now, again, purchasing a PLR book, you are buying the rights. So you do have rights to sell that book. But some people are maybe not following up with Amazon, or some other issues may come up where they don't show proof. Maybe they didn't get the book from the proper platform or whatever. But ultimately, if you keep getting flagged for plagiarism, you can get your account banned on Amazon. Okay. So I had to let you know and actually see it for yourself what is getting people banned on Amazon when it comes to these PLR books. And side note, if you are looking for an ebook to be able to make money, then make sure you grab my Strapped for Cash Survival Guide ebook that I wrote. Is not a PLR book. I actually took the time to write this. Okay. So I'm going to link it down below, but yes, this is what it looks like. It's online and available for purchase. You see what I mean? Basically, being lazy is what is getting people banned from Amazon. Yes, you can sell these PLR products, but it's really, really important to change the look of that book. And make sure when you're buying a PLR product that you have the rights to change the interior. So there are different rules when it comes to each PLR book that you buy. Some of them may not allow you to change anything in the interior. Me personally, I'm not buying a book that won't allow me to change the interior. Also, for me, it's really important to note that I do not like selling PLR products on Amazon. I've never listed a PLR product on Amazon. So if you want to see my process of how I upload and sell my PLR products, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications, because in my next video, I'm going to show you the process, the best platforms to do it on, and how to sell them without the drama of potentially getting banned from Amazon. Okay. But for those of you that have made it this far in the video, I want to be able to shout you out. So do me a favor and drop a 100 emoji down in the comments so that I know that you are 100% into getting this money. And if you want to see the process of how I change the covers of the PLR products that I get, then make sure you watch this video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.